Welcome to a demo of how to use file utilities for Lock50. We shall open some files for BCM RFA KVM and show how to copy the keys from the files on Lock50 keys. JPLA BCM on the bench. Once EEPROM is read out, you can open it and see the keys and copy on the HW13 or HW14 keys. This is another way to turn off alarms on the BCM on the bench using the key copy functions, and use the key to emergency start the car with the BCM. This file is virgin and has no keys in the BCM file. This file is virgin and has no keys in the BCM file. As well as BCM files from 2017 to 2025 plus, you can use the RFA flash also to copy keys with remote functions supported. Add new keys to the file or copy existing keys from the RFA file. KVM files from 2010 to 2021 supported for the PCF 7953 keys system. Opened flash and EEPROM files to be able to copy or add keys. Powerful options that allow you to have more ways to fix your vehicles. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see more demos.